It's a good thing we don't have to drink it. It smells terrible.
1, 2, 3, and one more for good luck.
Nothing's happening.
Let's give it a little time. Perhaps it hasn't reached the roots yet. Bill! The professor said just a few drops.
I thought since we're in a hurry, an extra helping might be in order. Rupert, it moved!
It's growing!
That worked amazingly well.
All right, Bill. This time I'll do the clipping. I don't believe it!
It's a frisky little creature.
I hope it doesn't mind when we plant it back over here. All right, Bill. On the count of 3, we grab him. 1, 2... That's the reason we need an antidote. Uh-oh!
Here we go again!
My word! Great Scott!
By the looks of things, we're going to need a jug of antidote. Just a few drops, Rupert.
Hop on, Bill. We're ready to go.